Hi there, Ariana from Crafting Happiness here. Today there will be no tutorial. Today I'm going to share something really exciting with you all. And I've been working on this project for such a long time. I am really excited to show you finally what it is. And that is my new book. And it's called Amigurumi Loveys Blankets. It has 8 animal blankets and their matching loveys, and we will go through the book and I'll show you each project and what else is included in it. At the beginning of the book, you will find all the patterns included in this book, and they are all placed one after another, so you'll have the blanket and then the lovey, so you don't have to look it through the book. And then I have included a full step-by-step tutorial on every single stitch. Here you will find all the techniques and all the stitches used on these patterns. I'll also show you how to read the pattern. And if you're a visual learner, I've included a QR code that will take you to the videos where you can watch me make every single stitch. And that will be helpful for those of you who are visual learners. I also included all the amigurumi techniques used here, crocheting it around, increasing, decreasing, and then attaching pieces together, finishing your amigurumi pieces. Also, you have here a tutorial on how to embroider the eyes, and of course how to fold the blankets and how to put the blankets and the loveys together. You even have tips and tricks here on how to fold the blanket. There is even a section on how to care for your blanket by washing it by hand or by machine. There's also add-ons like blanket ties, blanket buttons, and how to present your gift. And then we go on to the first project, which is the giraffe. I have included the giraffe in the book because it's a safari theme pattern. It's a wildlife pattern. The blanket uses a wavy pattern that creates this spotted print, which is very similar to a giraffe's coat. And this is how it looks like unfolded or hanging on the coat. Of course, you have helping videos here. You have the QR code, and then the matching lovey is this one. I've used the same colors, same yarn, and I've created this wavy star-shaped blanket to match the giraffe blanket. And this is how it looks like. This is a great gift you can give to someone who's has a safari themed nursery or a wildlife nursery or even a zebra themed nursery. Next we have the bear, and for the bear I've chosen the gingham pattern because it reminded me of picnics in the woods, trips in a woods cottage, and I thought this would be great for the bear. And this is how it looks like when it's folded. This is how it looks like when it's hanging up. And then the matching lovey for it is this one. This is a mini gingham pattern. This is how it looks like, same colors, same yarn, so you can just buy it and create this baby shower gift or birthday gift to someone who has a wildlife or a woodland themed nursery, who loves bear, who loves nature, maybe a camper, a hiker, somebody like that. And again, you have the helping videos to help you with. Now, keeping with the wildlife woodland theme, I have also included the fox. I thought it's a very fun, cute design, very easy. I have used the alpine stitch for the blanket to give that furry look on the body of the fox. And for the matching loveys, I have actually modified the alpine stitch and turn it into a in the round pattern, so you can crochet this beautiful alpine hexagon. And this is how it looks like. Again, you can just buy the yarn at once from the same brand, same weight, same color, and you can just make this set for someone who loves wildlife woodland themed items. And we're gonna move to the next one. Now we have the horse. This is a farm theme item, a blanket. You can give this to a horse lover or a farmer or somebody whose nursery theme is farm or horses. And this looks great in any color, so you can just match this blanket to the person who owns the horse. So if they own a horse which is black and white, or a red, or any color, black, you can just turn this pattern into those colors to just mimic the horse. And I've used the Paris stitch for this blanket to create those tiny swirls horses have in their coat. And now for this, you have two options. You have the curly hair, and then you also have a string hair. I've put that on the Lovey. It depends how old your child is. I will not recommend this type of hair to a young baby. I will go for the curlies. They are tied with knots and sewed to the head, so they shouldn't, if you do it right, they shouldn't come off. Also, the eyes is the same. You can use the plastic eyes, or you can embroider them. It's all up to you. And let me tell you, this looks great without the hair as well. So it's all up to you how you modify this pattern. But this is how it looks like. I've chosen a very simple pattern for the Lovey blanket. It's a granny pentagon, very fast to make. And this is how it looks like as a set. Next, I have an exclusive design made just for this blanket, and that one is the ram. This you will not find in any shop or any membership program that I have. This is specifically created for the book, so if you want this pattern, you can find it when you order my book. Now, I've chosen 3D shell stitch for this one. It looks bubbly. It's not a bubble stitch that, from my experience, use a lot of yarn and use very heavy. This one is nice, light and airy, and it still has that bubbly, curly coat that the sheeps have. And this ram can be turned into a sheep if you take his horns off. I think it looks lovely like that. And I have made a matching Lovey for it. Now, just to make it lighter, I have not used these bubbles all around. I've just used it as an accent. It still gives the idea of a curly coat, but the Lovey, it's light and airy. Again, same color, same yarn weight, same brand. Just buy it together and make it. Now, on to the next pattern. It's a fantasy blanket, the dragon. I have made it into an ice dragon, but just change the colors to red, yellows to make it a fire dragon, to greens and blues for a water dragon, browns and greens for a forest dragon, and it will just completely look different. Now for this I have chosen a modified crocodile stitch. I have made it pointy to replicate the scales because the crocodile stitch had rounded shells and it just didn't look right. It looks like this, folded. This is hanging. You can choose not to put the wings on. It's all up to you. Embroider eyes, it's all up to you and how old the child is. Now for the Lovey, I have created this one using a blanket stitch. It still looks like shells, same colors, same color sequence, so it will look like a set. And this is great for winter wonderland themed baby shower or nursery. Will look great for somebody who loves dragons, who likes fantasy, older kids. This will look great in a child's bedroom. And this is how it looks like I said. And we will move on to the next one, which is the frog. Now the frog, when I created it, I wanted to make it for somebody who wants a childhood story themed nursery, the prince and princess nursery, and that's why I gave it a little crown. Now you can take it off, you can just turn it into a plain frog if you like. I like it as a prince frog. I think it looks cute. And for the blanket, I've created a water lily square. I thought it would go great with a frog who lives in a pond. There are water lilies in a pond, and these two will marry well together. Now you can see the leaves are not attached. You can actually attach them if you like. I think I like the 3D design more, that's why I left it like that. And then I have made for the matching Lovey a flat design, still with water lilies, still same color, still that cute crown to turn it into a prince frog. And it's a lighter design. I don't want it to be really bulky because it's a Lovey a child will carry with him everywhere. Yeah, this is how it looks like. Like I said, this is for a fantasy themed nursery or for a prince and princess themed nursery. Kids will love this. And on to the next design, we have the Winter Wonderland Christmas Reindeer. This again for a winter themed nursery, but again you don't have to stick with my design. Everything is customizable. You can make the take the nose off and turn it into a plain reindeer, or change the colors to anything you like. For the blanket, I have used this Granny Snowflake hexagon, and it looks great. I thought because it's a winter design, it will look great with a winter animal, and that's how I included this one in the book. And then the matching Lovey is actually the hexagon that I've created here. I just made it bigger and bigger and bigger until it turned into a blanket. So if you see here, right under the head, you have that snowflake, and then just a granny stitch all around it to increase the size, turn it into a blanket. And again, make the nose a different color, turn the colors into white or blue, and it will look totally different. It will match your decor, and this is how it looks like as a set. And that's it. These are all the design in a book. I'm sure you'll find something in there to love. I've tried to cover all the bases, so if you buy this book, you will find a design for any kind of nursery. So you can create these as a set and give them a baby showers, birthdays, anything like that. Kids will absolutely love this. So now the book is in pre-order. It will be available starting with May 14 on Amazon. You'll also be able to find it on Etsy. I'm so excited. I can't wait. I hope you too. So happy crocheting, and I hope to see you in my book.